all of you know what modeling clay is. You played it as a child, maybe your children playing with it right now. You watched cartoons from modeling clay, maybe you use it in therapy. In general, modeling clay is cheap, safe and simple entertainment for you and your kids. And it also develops the fine motor skills. But today we are modeling candles. Is it real? Absolutely. But it's impossible to make candle from modeling clay. So we need special wax and we are making a candle. Of course, it's not candle yet, it's just a modeling wax. To make a candle, we need add a wick. Now it's a candle, let's burn it. So, what kind of this wax? Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you Moldicandl. Flexible wax takes any form and shape. Really, you can make a candle any form and shape. Anything! Your child can do it too, because this wax don't need high temperatures. You don't need to melt anything. You warm it up by your hands as a modeling clay. Your child will not get burned. I hear the question, why should we make candles if we have a modeling clay? And I have answered to that. Your child knows modeling clay very well, and believe me, he tired of it. And you don't take your child to make candles with you because of high temperatures. Of course, you don't want your child get burned, and maybe you even don't have candle making kit. A modeling clay figure is finished stuff. When it's created, it can be stored or destroyed. Moldicandl opens up opportunity to combine creativity. We make a candle as a sculptor, playing it as with a modeling clay, and practical application. It is as simple and safe to use as a modeling clay. Making candles never been so easy and safe. Even a small child can handle it. It's not a joke. We work with art centers, schools and kindergartens. We see how different age children playing with Moldicandl. Of course, everything depends on age and physical development. You know, children grow differently. For comfortable wax interaction and maximum involvement to the process, we created two types of wax. Soft for small kids, hard for older kids and adults. Moldicandl can be used in psychology, speech therapy and study. Development of spatial imagination as a modeling clay. It can be used as anti-stress toy. As I said, we have two types of wax, soft and hard, for children and adults. Moldicandl is a great way to keep your child busy for 1 hour or more. You can be calm about it. It's impossible to get burned from this wax. High temperatures, open flame, will appear only when you burn a ready candle. You don't need to buy any candle making equipment. For our wax you can use the same tools as for modeling clay. Stacks. Moldicandl, just like a modeling clay, develop the fine motor skills. And to start to work with it, you just need to warm it up in your hands or in a warm place. Curious, Moldicandl can be used multiple times. If you don't like a ready candle, you can remake it if you haven't burned it. If you burn it, then collect the wax. Just wait until it's cooled down. And from this wax you can make one more candle. But you should wait a long time, because candles from Moldicandl burns very well and very long time. Depending on shape and size, candle can burn during 5 minutes like this little mushroom, or 45 minutes like this yellow candle. It was 15 centimeters high and little thin. This mushroom helped this candle burn faster, but it was 45 minutes. This cube was 50 grams and it was burning during 1 hour, as I remember. It was 10 centimeters high. These candles from one school in Bratislava will be burned over 2 hours, because they are thick and high, 25-30 centimeters. No doubt, Moldicandl burn very well and for a long time. We created 23 colors for you and your children. Moreover, All colors except white you can order in pastel shades, so technically we have 44 colors. And all of these colors can be mixed. Let me remind you, Moldicandl have the same properties as a modeling clay, so mixing rules the same as for modeling clay. If you don't want to mix colors and our palette don't have color that you need, we are ready to create color especially for you. Just text us to email tutifarba@gmail.com. We respond quickly, usually 2-5 hours. Use all the possibilities of this wax to use candles of various shapes. Add a wick at the beginning, in the middle or at the end of process. Twist the wick into the candle or bend wax around the wick. Or add the wick in very end. Use splinter for it. The limit is your imagination. Don't be afraid to try the different techniques. Moldicandl is also great for learning how to make flowers, petals for flowers and other wax products. Many people use bleached beeswax for these crafts, but it's expensive and different to work with it, especially for beginners. Many people give up candle making like this because of these difficulties. The main question is, what does it consist of? It consists of paraffin, soy wax, vegetable waxes and mineral oil. Yeah, not beeswax. But even bleached beeswax. Do you know what is bleached with? You can protest and say this is not eco-friendly and that stuff. But don't worry, we have high purified paraffin and mineral oil, odorless. And soy and vegetable waxes, they are natural. So in generally, composition are okay. But don't forget to wash your hands after working with this wax. And most importantly, it's allowed to keep the good price for this wax. More on that soon. All of this produced in Bratislava, Slovakia. This is a European Union. We also have a large selection for our pigment. For soap, 134. For bath bombs, 20. For gypsum, resin and Jesmonite, 26. For candles, including Moldicandl, 75. And also we have anhydrous citric acid, coconut wax, soy wax and stearic acid. So let's summarize. Moldicandl is an odorless, flexible wax, takes any form and shape, doesn't require melting, accordingly use high temperatures, in properties like a modeling clay. If you add a wick, you will get a candle. Homemade candles in your hands. Easy to make flowers, petals for flowers and other stuff, especially if you do it on a commercial basis. Suitable for psychology, speech therapy, develops fine motor skills, soft and hard types for kids and adults. 23 colors, 22 of it can be ordered in pastel shades. Moldicandl can be used multiple times. When your candle is burned, you can collect the wax and use it for next candle. You definitely cannot buy this wax in regular store. And now, one of main question. How much does it cost? Simply answer, 20 euro for 1 kilo. More details, white 18 euro, other colors 20 euro. You can pick up different colors with different sizes for 1 kilo. It doesn't mean you need to pick up just one color. 20 euros per kilo, this is price up to 500 euro. Is this wax or total amount of purchases in our store? If you will be more 500 euro, we will give you a discount. After 500 euro, white wax 16 euro per kilo, other colors 18 euro per kilo. We kindly ask to say about your orders in advance, because process to make this wax it's not fast, so we need to take 5 days to make your order. So if tomorrow you have some lessons or workshop, we don't have time to make this wax for you. You can pay by invoice, by factura, just text us to tutifarba@gmail.com. In Europe we deliver by Paketa, Fenipak, GLS, DPD and Slovak Post. In United States, Canada, United Arab Emirates, we deliver by Slovak Post. To United Kingdom we deliver small packages by Slovak Post, but we can try to use DPD. We're also ready to send by DHL, TNT, FedEx, but they don't have a good price. So if you're ready to pay for it, no problem, we will send. Like, comment, we will be happy to answer for your questions. Subscribe to this channel. Regarding catalogs and orders, text me to tutifarba@gmail.com, Arseniy Farbova. Follow us, Instagram, TikTok. See you soon. Bye.